Hey, this garage design was my design. There have been at least 3 more built off of this design. Here's the side view. Also did the screen porch and underpinning. Flower beds. Cut them and lapped them together, bolted them. And the same all the way down this 6x6 curb. Lapped them, bolted them together. Now 6 feet of 6x6. The inside of the garage. 10-foot ceilings. The walls are 6x6s, 2x6s. Insulation in the bays. 2x10 floor joists, insulation in the ceiling. 9x9 garage doors, so I can get the van in. Got it set up where there could be a kitchen put in here. Still leave one garage bay. Put a bay window there. And finish this out. You can have a bedroom and a bath upstairs. Got it set up where you could have a bathroom over here. Plumbing going down the wall. Bathroom and a laundry. And then a nice bedroom. When we roofed the garage, we went on and re-roofed the house. The shingles were in bad need of replacement. Yeah, I set this up for my shop. 220 for the air compressor, but also went on and framed in a header for another garage door if someone wanted to come back in and have a drive-through garage. You could even put a nice bay window there because the header is already there. I had the siding men go ahead and install another 6x there in case someone ever wanted to put another shed roof out here. And again, this side here has a header already framed in there. You have a bay window, another garage door. It's been 4 years now, and there is not crack one in this cement, except where the expansion joints are. Same out here with the slab, and all of this was fill, but this isn't cracked at all. Yeah, when we moved in here, the slope of the yard was dumping all the water right up next to the house, running down next to the foundation. The house had 5-inch gutters on it, and they were not carrying the water. So they dumped additional water all underneath here. This was soaking wet, and the water was running all up against the house. I got under here, regraded it by hand, and have the water sloping away, running away from the house. Now 6-inch gutters installed, and also got a catch pan, drip pan underneath that little deck up there to turn the water out away from the house. Now it's a nice dry storage area.